What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to change your servers in my Gorilla Tag template. So you're in my Gorilla Tag template and you're wondering to yourself, how do I change the servers, because I want playfab to myself and blah blah blah. Yeah, so in this video I'm going to teach you on how to do it. So first of all, to change your Photon VR, to change your Photon servers, you want to go to Network Settings, Photon VR Manager, and then you want to go to your browser and search up Photon, and then click on Photon Engine, and then you just want to create an account or sign in, and then once you do, you want to go to your dashboard, and then you want to create some servers. So you want to click create new app, and then scroll down, and then where it says select Photon SDK, you want to put this to pun and put your name. So this is going to be cool. I'm going to name mine Cool VR Game. I'm just going to copy that, then create. You won't get this error, it's just because you might have too many apps. So I'm just deleting some. There you go. Alright, now pun. Now Cool VR Game. Click create. Once you do that, you want to click create new app again, and then where it says select Photon SDK, make this so then it says voice, and then paste that there, then click create. And now you have your servers, but how do you set it up? So now you want to scroll until you find the pun, until it says pun, and then you got to find the one that says pun and then your game name. And then where it says app ID, you want to click on this little grey thing, and then Control C that, and then into where it says app ID, you want to paste that there. And then before you do the voice one, you want to click on Window, Photon Unity Networking, Pun Wizard, Setup Project, and then just paste that there as well. Then click Setup Project, done. And now it should bring you to this thing. This is for both things. So now Cool VR Game. Now you want to scroll up until you find the Cool VR Game voice. Just do the same, copy that, and then paste it into, you should pop up this, and then paste it into the voice one as well. This is not really needed, but I just like to do it. It's for like public servers. And then where it says voice app ID, paste that there. And then yeah, that's Photon set up out the way. And now for playfab, you want to click on Window, playfab, editor extensions, and then where it is right here, actually just click off that. That's not really needed. You want to go, I think it might be playfab SDK, and then you want to go to shared, shared, where is it? I know it's here somewhere. Oh yeah. Then you want to go to playfab SDK, shared, and then public resources, and then click on here, right here. And then where it says up here, you want to go to here, search up playfab, and then I don't really want to leak my stuff, but it's fine. Click on new studio, name it or whatever your thing was, so like cool game or something. Name it whatever your game is, so then it's easier for you to remember. Then scroll down, and well, yeah, I don't think you have to scroll down, but I do. Now when you find your your playfab. You just want to go into it. You can change this. You can change this from my game, but you just want to copy this and then paste that there. And then if you also want this thing to change, just click 3 dots, edit title info, and then change this to cool VR game. VR game. Alright, once you do that, it should have this, but this is not over because you need to go to settings, API features, click these two, click that, disable these ones, and then click save. And then you should see save successfully. And then where it says currency legacy, you want to create a where is it? You want to create a new currency. You can name this. I'm just gonna name. These two have to be uppercase letters. So you're gonna be. This is gonna be your currency code. So mine's gonna be rock. So it'd be RS. And then display names just gonna be rocks. And then you're gonna get 4,000. And then you're gonna get 100 every day. And then set the recharge maximum to 99. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Click save currency. And then once you've done that, you want to go to catalogs legacy, new catalog, and then name that catalog, save catalog. And then where it's here, now it should be all set up. So yeah, if you playtest, it should connect you. It should put you where it says my playfab ID, and then your player should pop up. If we just wait for this to connect, the player ID's popped up. And now if we go to players, if you search, and then your player, if you click search, and then your player should be right here. So if your player's here, then good. If you don't, if your player's not there, then go to the Unity hub, and then just go to general chat, and then just ask for help there. And then yeah, so bye.